My name is James Hector. I'm an illustrative artist that resides in Philadelphia. The reason why I make my art, my original art, is the best way that I can express my innermost emotions and feelings and my ideas and express it to the world just to get their feedback. That's one way I feel like that's a powerful way to communicate with others and to see their perspective on the reality that we share within the world that we live in. I make my art any medium, oil, acrylic, pastel, chalk, airbrush, any way, wood carving, any way that I can make an impression on others to give me their feedback. What inspires me is perceiving how other people interact with the world that they live in. My artwork, it just represents my unity within, myself, within the others and my environment. My art means to me is just to connect with others and to feel that I am not ever alone. Even if another individual is not with me, I'm not alone. I have my art in the form of a mirror. It's like a mirror, a mirror to my thought and not just my physical appearance, but it's a mirror to what I cannot perceive on its three-dimensional aspect of reality. I like to call anybody with that good energy family because I am family oriented. Not only that, I'm in a world where I have a commonality, where I have two hands, two arms. Even somebody, if they have the ability to respond to me and to communicate with me, they're my family. That's just how I look at it. We don't even have to be blood relatives in the beginning, but I do, have two kids in this earth. So, we're all from a different leaf, different branch, all from the same tree and root. You don't have to go through all the history about how we got here or this and that. It's just obvious. I can't look at my own self, but I have my reflection. Everybody else is my reflection too. They're just my family. That's my ultimate reality, whether they want to accept it or not. That's up to them. That's the reality that they have to deal with. But the ones that accept it, it always come out to be good. If I call you family, I don't call everybody family. Just make sure that I'm dependable to be in that persona as a family member. You can count on me. I might have to, run some routes or whatever, but I'll always be there for you. With the community, with the things that I do, it didn't always start that way. I started without. Somebody had to come to me and I had to take that opportunity to put myself in a position where other people would come to me, not realizing some of the things that I may have to deal with, although, they're coming to me in order for me to, be a benefit to them. Whether it's drawing a picture for them that they want to do for their loved ones and everything like that. It may be some holiday season coming up and they might, think about their loved ones, so they come to me. And if I'm doing like a radio special and somebody finds out about it and they have a certain amount of talent, it gives me an opportunity to help them just like other people help me, to present themselves to the world and give themselves, to the world as far as expressing themselves. First, see the uniqueness within yourself before, you can see the commonality. Once you see the uniqueness within yourself, you will also see, the uniqueness in others, which will be something that you can grow as far as having something in common, when you connect with somebody. So just look at the world we live in. We're privileged to be able to be in a way where we can communicate in the manner that we communicate. We're not no animals or insects or, so we're family. We're family. So, just find a uniqueness in you. And, once you find a uniqueness in you, that automatically, brings happiness within your whole world.